Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share about Python programming language. Python programming language is popular programming language and is really useful for creating the web development server-side or also software development. Most people are using to the Python programming language. So why we need to learn the Python programming language? And so Python programming language is not only the popular and behind the reason of popular, and by learning the Python programming language, it can develop your thinking, it can develop your problem solving, it can develop your logic skill. And then if we go further, the broader, the wider opportunity are also waiting to you. So whatever. So learning the new skill is the really important for the human being. Okay, it's really important for brain development. So stop talking and let's do it. So to write the Python programming language, we need the IDE. So you can use the offline IDE or online IDE. And IDE me is text editor for programming language. So in my tutorial, in my lesson, I will not use the offline IDE. I will only use the online IDE. So for the online IDE, you can use the trinket.io, this one, or maybe you can use the online python.com. So whatever you use, trinket.io, the famous one, or online python.com. Yeah, you can choose whatever as you prefer to. So online python.com, I will use this one, online Python IDE, text editor, compiler, interpreter. So let's start. So Python programming language. So every programming language has start with hello world, as you know. So I will write print hello world. So that's it. So it will tell you hello world. Yeah, that's it. So by using the print statement, you can print out what you want to tell the screen, what you want to describe on the screen. That is how it works, print statement. Okay. So if you want to write more than one line, you need to use more print statement like that. Print my name is Kevin. Like this. So if you run, it will come out. My name is Kevin. So what about if you want to print vertically? You need to write like this. Age. And then print like this. Print. And then like this. And then like this. And then like this. So and then click to the run. So it will print vertically. So hello like that. Okay. And then for the comment section, so whatever we do, we need to leave the feedback, we need to leave the statement, we need to leave the explanation for ourselves or for other developers. So we have to use the comment. For the comment, very easy, just use the hash sign. So this is a comment. That's it. So if we run, the comment will not display on the screen. It's only for the developer. Yeah, that's it. So if you want to print, if you want to write more than one comment, you have to use the hash sign every time. But for this, you can use this one instead. Triple code. Yeah. So this is a comment more than one line, maybe paragraph. and then try the code, and then run it. It will not print out. So this is how command work. So I will stop the tutorial 1 at here. I hope to see you again in tutorial 2 video. So see you on next video. Thank you for watching to my video. Okay, see you.